strategic objective number 2 is to promote access to higher education opportunities for girls and students with special needs.
Yeah, today is a very, very historical day for us as a synod as well as a university, where we have come up with a roadmap that will lead us in the next 5 years, and this will help us, will guide us on the way we are to go as far as education is concerned, because we look at education as a tool for socio-economic development.
So today we have launched this strategic plan for Nkhoma University. It's very important because it's a framework that will guide our strategic decisions and actions, so that as an investor we move forward and we achieve what we want to achieve.